It's interesting when a new machine arrives. You see all the bits and pieces of it, but you don't know how they all work together, what things are going to be.
So I'm thinking this station is moving for sure now.
Yeah, or we put it this way. I was thinking I bought a 5-foot by 10-foot one, but then they add on an extra 3 feet. I've never cut anything before where the table height is the 0. I usually set the 0 on the top. So that's new machine, new way of doing it. Don't know the feeds and speeds, but we'll give her a go. Yeah, you can see it's just skimmed the surface below, but it hasn't done anything to the spoil board. I don't know why you're all having heart attacks about it.